Hi everyone, it's Jimmy with Colton RV and Marine. As we grow and expand as a boat dealership, we want to introduce yet another genre of boating to you guys to enjoy Western New York waterways, which behind me is a 2026 Cobalt R6 Surf. So it is a 26-foot luxury bow rider. Let's check out the exterior of this. So what you guys are looking at obviously is a black and gray color scheme. You'll see the surf emblems on the boat. We incorporated it with white satin logos. There is a couple logos that illuminate, as you can see on the tower. The overall appearance is great. What it is sitting on is a 2026 Adventure trailer. You guys can see it has upgraded wheels, and the biggest thing I like about this trailer is it has a bow stop. So it's one of the easiest fiberglass trailers to load with a fiberglass boat. You're just gonna sit it right in there, hook your hook up. You don't really have to worry about your skid plate, but the Cobalt does have a skid plate. You can see it does have docking lights too, but the trailer, aluminum I-beam, really nice. You're never gonna have to worry about rust or any of that stuff. But as we move back through the middle of the boat, you guys can see we upgraded the tower. This is an upgraded version of the tower. You've seen in previous videos of our normal R6 that we are currently sold out of, how that pitches and you can lower the tower. It does have board racks. I have my personal surfboard up there currently. Now, we have 2 board racks on each side of the tower. You can fit 4 boards in those, and they're really nice. We'll show that in the interior, how they lock into place. The back of the boat, this is where really we wanted to get in and show you guys what this is. So the surf models, this particular boat will pull in 2,300 pounds of ballast, and then incorporated with Cobalt surf technology, which is their surf gate, which is over here. These wings, depending on which side you're gonna ride, regular or goofy, these wings are gonna come out. You're gonna have ballast, 2,300 pounds of ballast in the water. That's gonna create a little bit heavier of a boat. And then if you check out that drive there, that is the Volvo FWD, which stands for forward facing drive. And like traditional boats that are stern driven, they're gonna push you. This is gonna pull you, which is the most responsive driving you can have on a boat. Because unlike surf boats where they're V driven, this, when you dump your ballast tanks, the V-drives don't really drive that great as boat rides. This is gonna give you a really aggressive drive where a lot of people will get this drive and not even get the ballast system in it. So moving towards the swim deck though, Cobalt's traditional drop-down swim step. You guys can enjoy the water, sit up top, put your feet in, or what I like to do on R6s is sit in the water and just enjoy the swim deck like this. Entertain, have people come up, have a cooler sitting right here. But it's a great signature piece for Cobalt, and it's on all their boats. Really easy, just flips back up, and well, little lock here, flips up. It's gonna lock itself back into place. Now you guys can see we have transom speakers paired with the tower speakers. So while you're riding or tubing, you're gonna listen to music all day long. We have another illuminated logo back here. So parked at docks or parked at the restaurants, you give off that added accent piece. The swim deck also has soft track mat on it. Soft track mat is throughout the boat, which let's hop up in there and check out the interior. It's gonna knock your guys' socks off. So moving into the interior of this boat, we'll take you through just like any other boat we show you guys, but it's gonna look like any other R6 we've had in stock this year. The interior is the same, which it's a knockout layout. So you guys have the best layout with the flip lounger. Now, if you want people to sit here and have a conversation, but some of your passengers want to enjoy the swim deck still, it does have a rumble seat as well. That's gonna pop up and just sit like so. Added onto that, you guys will see a little port there in the seat. So you can obviously tow off the tower if you're tubing, a little bumpy of a ride. Cobalt does give you an added tow bar, which is here. This is just going to screw into place here. And for those riders doing tubing and stuff, it's gonna keep that rope a little bit closer to the water so it's not a bouncier ride. Little kids, I suggest you pull them down on the lower tow point. So that is the back pad where most of your riders will hang out while you're surfing, or when the boat's stopped at the cove, this is the primary hangout spot. But it is a stern walkthrough. Before you guys come through, this does have fender ports. So easy access, they're really easy clip-ins. Again, this is where you guys can see the soft track mat throughout the boat. It looks amazing, really easy to clean, a little bit of water, scrub brush, and you're good. Now, this is the slate interior, really popular. Slate ebony interior, really popular with Cobalt. Everything is on a gas strut. Under this compartment, we did get the cooler bag for you guys. Now moving over to this side, you know, tons of storage in this boat. Everything's on gas struts, so you don't have to ask somebody to hold your cushion while you're cleaning it. That's my biggest pet peeve when I'm cleaning boats is hold this cushion, or you're moving all these cushions around. It's nice to have everything on a gas strut. What Cobalt also does is anywhere, you know, is a grab point to grab the seat down, they're always using a darker material. So fingerprints, sweat prints, stuff like that. You guys can see we did get RGB lighting throughout the cockpit. This boat does have docking lights and underwater lights. But you guys will see that in the gunnels. Everything is stainless steel, everything's illuminated. Stainless steel hinges, stainless steel grab rails. Cobalt goes above and beyond with all the components of the boat. Also a great feature off the tower is the board racks. You don't want a bunch of boards and stuff in the floor, so you want to get them outside away from everybody. So really easy, and they are super nice. So a quick pull here, it's going to lock in a couple different positions, but we'll swing it all the way inside. And then how this board rack works, it's like one of the nicest ones in the industry. It's padded here to protect all your boards, but all you're going to do, I'm going to stand up on the seat because it is a new board rack. Just pop it up here, your board's free, and you're ready to go. But moving forward to the dash, again, with the Surfgate technology Cobalt has, they're gonna pair that with the ballast. Again, it's 2,300 pounds of ballast. What also is gonna help with the surf is the forward-facing drive, but then how does the customer use it, right? So Cobalt then puts dual Garmin screens in there, and we have it set up to where, obviously you're gonna roll with navigation, you're gonna see your depth on the left, but on the right side. This is what people really get intimidated buying a surf boat. Jim, how do I control the wave? Cobalt does a really good job with their Garmin setup. You can set profile riders. So you know, you go out one time, you like the wave, you like how you surf, save it. It's a really easy boat to throw a bunch of riders on without rider profiles, and you can save like different settings of like mellow, easy, hard takeoff. This does have 0 off cruise control. So when we set a certain speed and we get our wave set up, the best thing about this system is I don't have to control the speed. We're gonna set the speed up on the dash here. We're gonna take the throttle and just push it down. Once it's down, it's gonna bring that up to that speed and give the best ride to the riders, incorporated with all the systems we just went over. Now, the rest of the boat, you have, you know, a really nice cell phone charger there. I love their gauges, or their buttons for their switches. They're illuminated, so at night, where's my button? You're gonna see the blue illuminated ring. Not a big detail, but when you're using the boat, it is something you appreciate. Now, how many riders can I take on this boat? If you got 14 family members or 14 friends, that's your limit. If you don't, call me, I'll go with you. But the rest of the boat's set up just traditionally like a Cobalt. It has the stern lounger, or not the stern lounger, the passenger lounger here. Both seats, I like this seat because it's more of like a love seat. You can fit 2 riders here, but both seats, passenger and captain seat, have the bolster seat. So, you know, both passenger and the rider can see over the windshield on those choppier days. And then the reason why we sell a lot of normal R6s is because the R6 is where they start the bathroom at. So the bathroom's right here, if you guys couldn't see it. Again, Cobalt doesn't spare any expense. You know, you're not getting an ugly handle or something, nice stainless steel handle, right into the bathroom. So, like me, once it's boating season, I'm going out, I'll surf in a wetsuit. So, early seasons where you don't want to jump in the water, but you're gonna go surfing, the bathroom's good for your riders that are just coming to watch you. But moving up to the bow, it does have a great windshield profile, the way it sits. It does have a nice lock up here, but what I like about this particular boat is the wind door. Again, you have the bathroom for colder falls, colder springs. You might like this option too that we incorporate on the boat, which is the wind door. So you just unlock the wind door and then it's going to unfold like so. You're gonna lock it back into place. We're not gonna lock it all the way, right? And then it's gonna create a wall to not let the wind travel back into the cockpit. So it's a nice added feature. Makes this boat a all season boating enjoyment. The R6 is one of my favorite bows as well. The way it's configured, you guys can see you have a lounger on this side. My favorite jump seat in front of the driver. And then this is also gonna give us armrest up front. We also have, like we get on all our Cobalts, we do get the bow seats. So this will configure into a bed as well. And before we wrap this video up, we wanna talk about a little bit of the power plant and show you guys, it is a Volvo Penta. Forward-facing drive, and it's a 350. Probably a little bit overpowered for this particular boat, but who doesn't like more power? But checking it out, it is closed loop cooling. So you guys do have a water housing that's gonna cool the antifreeze down. The antifreeze is gonna cool the engine down. Guess what? No raw water. Any corrosion is gonna get, or you'll see in the engine at all. And then Volvo is my particular favorite. But what you guys are also looking at in the engine bay, a little bit different than some of the videos we've done before. You have hard tanks. This is your ballast system. It does have a fire buoy suppression, but below that, you'll see all our pumps. So a little bit more integrated than a normal boat. It's a great feature to have, makes this boat multi-purpose. So guys, that's pretty much it for your engine bay. If you're looking for a great boat to enjoy with family and friends and do a water sport activity that everyone can enjoy, this is it. So come see us. Our number is 716-694-0188 if you guys want to call in for some specs or a price. And then to answer most people's questions, surf boats, yes, a little bit, you know, people are questioning what's the learning curve. We will take you out, we'll put it on the water, we'll get your kids in the water, we're surfing. It'll be a great time. So just give us a call, we're always here, and come check us out.